Okay, you guys, this was up against Mr. Trash Talker. I'm on the right on my alt account, Grandmaster T. He's on the left in his lower account, right? Mr. Trash Talker, talking good, right? That was his best player. Just got washed. Crying about, oh, his name Grandmaster. Of course, he picked Sub-Zero, talking crazy, talking about this, talking about that. Got whooped, talking crazy, man. Trash talkers don't prosper. You feel me? I whooped him back to back to back. He tried every character in the book. You can't. Uh, you only use Sub-Zero. Okay, here comes Scorpion now. There you go. You only use Sub-Zero. Flawless victory on him. You know what I'm saying? Chat. Come on, man. Come on, man. I do this. There's some of that work on. There's some of that work on that jack. Some of that work.